Hello, so here's a very interesting app which is called Whiteboard Widget Messaging. Yep, let's just install it. There are a bunch of apps in this category these days where you can just basically install widgets on your home screen and then either send a photo or send this kind of drawing to your friend. And then it will just be instantly displayed on their home screen. And then, yeah, you can just select different people to who you want to send it out. So as you can see, this app is in top charts in social networking. There are just 22 ratings. So I think it's pretty fresh app, and maybe it's even just used by a solo developer. And Whiteboard lets you write on your friend's widget. Simply add someone you know as a friend, and now you can write on each other's home screen widgets. The widget will show the most recent message from all of your friends for up to 24 hours. So let's just open it up. You can allow notifications, and then you can create an account. So let's just do that. And yeah, I'm on iPhone, so I can just easily create an account with the Apple ID. So here you can see messages you sent and received. Search for other people on the app and send a friend request. Find people nearby that aren't your friend yet. And then view your profile, see your friends, update your account, and so on. You can draw, you can send emojis at different colors, backgrounds, and then just tap send. So that's basically it. And also you need to add a widget to your home screen. So just tap and hold until the apps jiggle, and then you can just add that. So yep, there you have it. There are no messages. So you can invite friends. You can send, there is some doodle of the day. There is your profile. Then you can just select a profile picture. Okay, I will just do that. So there you have it. That's your profile. And then I just want to search. So now to send a message. So finally here I can just write this image, and then I can just type. Then, yeah, oops, I can move it around, I guess. I can add it. Okay, so I can just add this smiley. Then who would you like to send this message to? You can send and select friends, and then you can just send it. Message sent. But you also need to invite people here, so you need to send it to someone to invite. And then they will be able to add you. So yep, basically to add a widget. So for example, here I have Noted widget, which is a similar app, and I also tried widget share. So I'm just doing all these widget reviews now. So I find it pretty awesome. So now I can just add this widget. So something like that, and that would be the widget, which like basically it's my widget. But I won't be able to see messages here. So my friends need to add this widget and add me as a friend here. So yep, that's the idea. That's how you create an account, and how you can start using this app. Hope that was helpful.